Now let's get on and see what Moore is up to. Voltage regulators located in the nose wheel compartment should be secure in the flexible mounts that absorb racking vibration. In addition, all regulators except the new carbon pile type should be checked at the contact points to be sure they're clean and unpitted. Meanwhile, Chandler prepares to check the starter. So that he can inspect it properly, he first removes the window strap. Then, continuing, he checks brushes for wear and binding, and the tension of the brush spring and condition of the commutator. And now, here is Moore inspecting the heaters. After breaking the fuel air line and the exhaust line, he takes out the screws to pull the back casting. In the back casting, the baffle cup, and in the oven, the baffle plate are inspected for deformation of metal. There will be residue in the oven from the burning of the regular 100-octane gas, which is, of course, leaded gasoline. Unless this is cleaned out regularly with an air hose, it will close up. At 25,000 feet up in the air, that residue can turn out to be something more than just a nuisance. Before considering the inspection of the heater complete, he of course checks the igniter, cleaning it off thoroughly. That igniter may be small, but it's important, and it must be clean to do its job properly. When he's finished with this heater, he makes a similar inspection on each of the other 5 heaters in the B-24. If they don't work perfectly, he'll go after the solenoid valve and lines to see that they're clean. At station 3.8, Moore makes an operation check of the putt-putt. If the voltmeter reads 28 and has been checked recently with a portable voltmeter, it looks as if the putt-putt is okay. When he's satisfied, he turns off the motor. We're on the home stretch now as Moore climbs down to inspect the battery plug connections on the outside of the airplane. A quick once-over finds them in good condition. Here's Chandler to check on the output of the AC inverters. The autosyn instruments are activated and checked. And now for an operational check on the alarm bells. Nothing happens, so something must be wrong. He checks the fuse first. The diagram on the inside of the lid of the fuse box shows him the location of all of the fuses. He picks the bad one and replaces it with a new fuse. Now he tries the bell again. He checks it to make sure. Success! It works! And that completes the 50-hour inspection of the ignition and electrical systems of the B-24. With everything in order, Crew Chief Harris indicates his approval by initialing column 22 of Form 41B. Now again, we're ready for action. And once more, wings aloft.